Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to my channel. I just received a new design team package from ASC Craft Supplies, and it included this gorgeous new paper collection from Graphic 45 called Little One. This paper is available at ASC Craft Supplies. You can reach them on the web or their Etsy store. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all capital letters, to receive a 10% discount at checkout. This is a perfect collection for creating baby showers and christening gifts. It's gender neutral, and I love the soft pastel colors with the light greens, beige, pinks, and yellows. In this collection, you have the 8x8, the 12x12, the patterns and solids, as well as the ephemera. I'm going to review the 12x12 collection pack first. This is the 12x12 collection pack. You receive 2 sheets of 8 double-sided papers. I just love the way this looks. Look at the little bunnies here. This is the first page. It has a beautiful green pattern paper and these wonderful designs and sentiments in the background. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, bundle of joy, oh darling little one. And I love the rainbows and the little blocks. On the back, you have this balloon paper, and you have green and creams and beiges, yellows and pinks. I love this next page. It is on a yellow muted background. There is a slight pattern in the back of beautiful flowers, and then you have these adorable little bunnies floating around. On the back, you have these fun cut-aparts. You've got some journaling tags here, and of course these wonderful stamps that Graphic 45 is known for. On the next page, you've got this dark tan color with white polka dots. And on the back, you have this beautiful design. I love this paper. You've got balloons, you have wonderful sentiments, you are loved little one. You have outfits for a little boy and a little girl and these little bunnies throughout. And of course, I love these little blocks here. This is a beautiful page. Next, we have this beautiful floral print set against a green background, and you've got the yellows and pinks and creams. And on the back, you have another beautiful page. I love that they have the little baby clothing. You could actually fussy cut these. These are quite sizable. Next, we have this design. They look like little circles. And on the back, you have another beautiful design. I love the little cradles and the bassinets. Next, we have this muted pink floral design. And on the back, you have more cut-aparts. You have this large cut-apart, bundle of joy, just arrived. And I love these border strips here. You are loved, with the little bunnies, twinkle, twinkle, little star. And of course, these adorable little baby outfits. Next, we have this beautiful pastel stripes with greens and pinks and yellows and beige. And on the back, you have this beautiful floral. The last design is this beautiful printed star paper. And on the back, you have another beautiful scene. And these images, again, are quite sizable, very easy to fussy cut. You've got these large balloons here, the little bassinet with the bunny, and these gorgeous flowers here. Next, you have the 12x12 patterns and solids. This has 16 sheets. There are 2 sheets per pattern. Let's take a closer look. Here we have a muted yellow, and on the back, we have this yellow and cream stripe. We have another yellow solid page, and then this side has stars. Next, we have this beautiful green, and on the other side, we have these beautiful balloons. We have another solid green background, and then on the opposite side, the green and cream stripes. We have this dusty pink. And on the opposite side, you've got this fun pattern with the sentiments just arrived, the little rainbows and bunnies and balloons. We have another pink solid. And on the opposite side, we have these cute stars. We have a solid, deep tan color. And on the back, these wonderful balloons. And the last two pages are another tan solid. And this has the print with the sentiments and the little rainbows, the blocks, the bunnies. Next, we have the 8x8 collection. This contains the same designs as the 12x12 collection that I showed you. It's just on a smaller scale. Let me do a quick flick through for you. Last but not least, we have the ephemera pieces. There are 48 items. Let me give you a closer look. I'm not going to take this out of the package, but you can see on the back all of these fun items that you receive in the package. This concludes my review of the Graphic 45 Little One collection. Hopefully it inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you'd like to see the gift bag mini album that I've created using this collection, please be sure to click the link at the end of the video. Also, please make sure you leave a message. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.